Virtualfly has its roots in aviation, and you can say that because it's part of the Aircatglobal Aeronautical Group, based in Barcelona. This aeronautical group, which has three companies, is Aircatfly, Virtualfly and Aircatdrone. Aircatfly and Aircatdrone are national companies. Both of them distribute aircraft and drones, flight school, and as well as other experiences with aircraft and with drones. In this case, Virtualfly, which is part of this group, is in charge of all the manufacturing and distribution of flight simulators worldwide. In this video, I want to show you what the Aircatglobal Group is all about, showing you around our headquarters as well as our other bases, like the flight center in Igualada, Barcelona. So enjoy the video, and obviously I'll see you in the next one.